Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today's video will be a little different than usual, as this time it won't be about the Yiddish language. Instead, I'll be giving an introductory grammar lesson into another language dear to my heart, Hebrew. Hebrew, or Ivrit, is a language that began developing thousands of years ago, and its grammar is quite logical. A lot of memorization is required for mastering this language, but everything falls into a very neat pattern which has almost no exceptions. Every word in the Hebrew language is conjugated according to its grammatical gender and amount. Let's take a look at the pronouns now. Please keep in mind that since I began learning Hebrew in my late childhood, I cannot roll my R's in the same back-of-the-throat way as a native speaker.
A quick note that Hebrew is read from right to left, therefore my transliterations should be read backwards.
Ahnee, I. Ahnee. Ahtah, you, singular, male. Ahtah. At, you, singular, female. At. Who, he. Who. He, she, he. Anachnu, we. Anachnu. Ahtem, you, plural, male. Ahtem. Ahten, you, plural, female. Ahten, him, they, male. Him, hen, they, female, hen. There are 4 forms of present tense Hebrew: singular male, singular female, plural male, and plural female. I'll show you now using an example verb what that can look like. I'll be using the verb lilmod, lilmod, to learn. Lomed, lomed, singular masculine is learning. Lomedet, lomedet, singular feminine is learning. Lomdim, lomdim, plural masculine is learning. Lomdot, lomdot, plural feminine is learning. Therefore, Ahtah, hu, lomed. At, he, lomedet. Ahtem, hem, lomdim. Ahten, hen, lomdot. Now when it comes to first person pronouns, such as Ahnee and Anachnu, it can change according to the person it's referring to. If the I speaking is male, it would be Ahnee lomed. And if the I was female, she would say Ahnee lomedet. The same goes for Anachnu. If the we in the sentence was several males, they'd say Anachnu lomdim, we are learning. And if the we in the sentence was referring to several females, they'd say Anachnu lomdot, we are learning. But what if the we, they, and plural you is a mixed group containing both males and females? In that case, we'd use the plural male. Anachnu, ahtem, him, lomdim. Let me give another example, this time with a verb
Lelechet,
to go. Ani holech, or holechet. Ata holech. At holechet. Hu holech. Hi holechet. Anachnu holchim, or holchot. Atem holchim. Aten holchot. Hem holchim. Hen holchot. Now let's try an exercise. I'll say any of the above pronouns and you'll have to match it to its correctly conjugated verb. I'll use the verb lemor, to say. At, at. את אומרת. אתם. אתם. אתם אומרים. הן. הן. הן אומרות. אנחנו. אנחנו. אנחנו אומרים or אומרות. הוא. הוא. הוא אומר. אני. אני. אני אומר or אומרת. How many did you get right? Comment it down below. As I've previously said, Hebrew is quite simple, and with time, remembering this pattern will come easy as pie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to learn some more basic grammar and vocabulary. Tack för idag, vi hittar, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!